Yes, all right. So, language explorers, let's look at this Sunday's preposition. So, apart from, so like all these, apart from that. So, except for, or not including. Yeah, not including that one. Yeah, I have been to every country in the UK apart from Ireland. Apart from Ireland, yeah. Or in addition to, or as well as. So I worked apart from them in a different area. I worked away from them, yeah. I know all the answers apart from this one. See, I know all the answers apart from this one here. Yeah. We visited everything apart from the museum. So like 99% of things. We saw everything apart from that. We saw everything apart from that. Yeah. How cool is that? So she is far apart from other people. Yeah. Yeah. So, oops. So, I have recorded all the lessons apart from these. He wants to know all the questions apart from that one. She thinks it will work apart from that part, apart from this section. It always works apart from when I am near it. Yeah, very good. They think it could work, could function, it could break apart from that piece which is made from metal. So they think it could break apart from that piece which is made of metal. How cool is that? He was apart from them the whole time. Yeah, he was away and apart from his family for a long time. Yeah, apart from them. Yeah. I'm always next to and never apart from her. Yeah, we are always together and never apart from each other. Always next to each other and never apart. Yeah. How cool is that? She never knew what to do apart from listen and write. Yeah. She can't do anything apart from talk to them. He can't do anything for the team apart from manage and organize it. Yeah, he can't do anything apart from organization and management. How cool is that, language explorers? Yeah, how cool is that? So, can you use apart from in a sentence? Can you write it in the comments below? And like the video, subscribe to the channel. More videos to come, more lessons to come. And you can find me on YouTube, Facebook and Telegram when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Oops. English with Adrian, that's it. English with Adrian. Yeah, how cool is that? And also on Udemy when you search for Adrian Nanchev. Yeah, that's it. How cool is that, language explorers? Let's keep exploring.